Welcome to the top best. The best dog hair attachment is probably one of the most essential tools for any pet owner struggling with the never-ending battle against shedding, transforming your vacuum cleaner into a specialized weapon against stubborn fur that clings to carpets, upholstery, and even your clothes, ensuring a cleaner and more comfortable living environment for you and your beloved canine companions. Number 5. Neakasa P1 Pro Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit. Meet the Neakasa P1 Pro, your ultimate solution for pet grooming at home. This innovative kit is designed to make grooming easier and cleaner than ever before. It's a 6-in-1 pet grooming tool that combines clippers and a vacuum. This means you can trim and collect shedding hair simultaneously, keeping your home tidy. Experience powerful cleaning with its 9,000 pascal suction. It effectively captures loose hair and dander, ensuring a thorough grooming session for your pet. Designed with low noise operation, it ensures a stress-free grooming experience for your furry friend. They'll barely notice it's there. The generous 1L dust cup collects a significant amount of pet hair. This reduces the frequency of emptying, allowing for longer grooming sessions. It's the ideal tool for managing shedding and trimming your pet's coat at home. Keep your pet looking and feeling their best with minimal mess. What we like? This grooming vacuum kit offers a comprehensive 6-in-1 solution for all your pet's needs. With powerful 9,000 pascal suction and a low-noise design, it ensures an efficient and stress-free grooming experience. If you're looking for an all-in-one tool that handles shedding, trimming, and cleaning with ease, this is the one for you. What people say. The suction feature alone makes this a game-changer. It really does capture almost all the loose hair, which keeps my home so much cleaner during grooming sessions. The clippers are smooth, quiet, and powerful, and the included grooming tools are well designed and easy to use. The built-in vacuum is the real star. It actually sucks up the hair while you groom, so I didn't end the session covered in fur, questioning my life choices. No hair tornado. No clogged attachments. Just a shockingly clean experience. Number 4. ONEISALL Pet Grooming Vacuum Blue. Experience grooming and vacuuming simultaneously. This device collects 99% of loose pet hair directly into its container, ensuring a mess-free and clean home environment, even for beginners. The clippers, paw trimmer, and nail grinder can be used independently or with the vacuum. Enjoy the freedom to groom your pet anywhere, indoors or outdoors, thanks to its cordless design. Designed with a quiet motor operating at only 59 dB, it features 3 adjustable suction levels. This ensures a relaxed and stress-free grooming experience for your pet. The detachable 1.5L dustbin offers 50% more capacity, reducing the need for frequent emptying. Its space-saving design and included storage bag make organization simple. This comprehensive kit includes a grooming brush, de-shedding tool, electric clipper, paw trimmer, and nail grinder. It also comes with a nozzle and cleaning brush for collecting stray hairs, providing a complete grooming solution. With an extended hose and power cable, you have ample reach for grooming in any space. All accessories are neatly stored in the provided bag, keeping everything organized and accessible. What we like? Experience ultimate freedom with cordless clippers that can be used independently or with the vacuum. It features 3 adjustable suction levels for pet comfort and a large 1.5L dust cup for less frequent emptying. If you value flexibility and the ability to groom your pet anywhere, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. It has multiple attachments. It gets a great amount of hair off the dog and sucks it right up. The vacuum is quiet enough not to give Tana anxiety, and the combo of the clippers and vacuum is magic. It weighs nothing, it's so easy to carry everywhere, and has great suction power. In terms of noise and pets, none of mine have complained with this small vacuum. Number 3. AIRROBO PG10 Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit. Introducing the AIRROBO PG10, your ultimate solution for pet grooming. It effectively tackles shedding and keeps your home clean. Experience powerful cleaning with 12,000 pascal strong suction. This device effortlessly removes loose hair and dander from your pet's coat. Groom your pet without the stress. Its quiet operation ensures a calm and comfortable experience for both you and your furry friend. The generous 2L capacity means less frequent emptying. You can groom your pet thoroughly without interruption. This all-in-one kit simplifies grooming. It's designed to make managing your pet's coat easy and efficient. Say goodbye to scattered pet hair. This vacuum kit helps maintain a cleaner, more comfortable living environment for everyone. What we like. This kit boasts a powerful 12,000 pascals suction for effective hair collection and a quiet operation to keep your pet calm. Its 2L large capacity dustbin means fewer interruptions during grooming sessions. If you have a pet that sheds a lot and you want a quiet, efficient grooming experience, this is a great option. What people say. Very well made sturdy plastic, tools, and brushes. I am very hard on my tools and am pleased to see that the brushes and attachments are not flimsy plastic. Suction has more than one speed, Bandit, and I tested all three and they worked perfectly. Clippers are great. Love the double-sized guards so I don't have to go rustling to find one close to desired dot and there are not more pieces that could go lost. Number 2. ONEISALL Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit LM5. Seasonal shedding can be a nightmare, with pet hair flying around your home. Never worry about that again. This grooming vacuum collects almost all the loose hair while you brush, keeping your home clean and tidy. Designed for pets with thick double coats, its unique brush gently removes loose hair and undercoat. It's highly effective, capturing up to 99% of shed hair, so less hair ends up floating around your house. With a low noise level of only 60 dB, it won't scare your pets and can help reduce their nervousness. You can choose from 3 adjustable suction levels, ensuring efficient hair collection even on the lowest setting. This kit comes with various attachments perfect for different tasks. Use the grooming brush and de-shedding tool for a smooth, tangle-free coat. Other nozzles help collect stray hairs from surfaces like carpets and furniture. Collecting 99% of pet hair into its container is simple with the one-button operation. The large, detachable dustbin is easy to empty, meaning you won't have to do it often during grooming sessions. Its lightweight design and quiet operation make it ideal for home grooming, even if you're new to it. Powerful suction tackles hair on various surfaces, and the included attachments handle different needs effectively. What we like. Tackle heavy shedding with an impressive 15,000 pascals suction and an upgraded grooming brush designed for thick double coats. It operates at a low noise level, ensuring your pet remains relaxed. If you own a large breed with a thick undercoat and struggle with shedding, this tool is specifically designed to help. What people say. The size is great. It's not heavy like you would expect, easily portable, and compact. We use this once a week consistently and have noticed a significant decrease in hair around the house. It's easy to put together, easy to use and easy to empty and clean. Number 1. UBROBO Dog Grooming Vacuum PG10. Experience the ultimate pet grooming solution with a powerful vacuum kit. It captures 99% of loose hair and dust, keeping your home clean and improving air quality. This all-in-one kit simplifies pet care. It combines grooming, clipping, and vacuuming, effectively removing hair and dust for a neat and tidy pet. With 3 adjustable suction levels and a long hose, you can ensure your pet's comfort during grooming. Adjust the settings to suit their needs and keep them relaxed. Enjoy a quiet grooming experience with noise levels as low as 60 dB. The detachable dust box makes cleaning up effortless, perfect for small to medium-sized pets. This grooming vacuum is the ideal gift for any pet parent. Save time and money by grooming your pet at home, enjoying more quality time together. Your kit includes the vacuum, grooming brush, dog clippers with combs, and a de-shedding brush. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty. What we like. This all-in-one grooming kit offers 12,000 pascals suction, a 4.6-foot hose for maneuverability, and a low noise level for pet comfort. It effectively captures 99% of floating hairs and comes with essential grooming tools. If you're looking for a versatile and quiet solution for regular grooming and shedding control, this kit is a solid pick. What people say. It does a great job at picking up loose hair, so there's much less mess compared to regular grooming. The attachments are easy to use and work well for different grooming needs. This vacuum has strong suction and I vacuum my couch, it gets my dog's hair right up, better than my regular vacuum, and it has strong suction too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.